In this module, we will talk about sense of self, community, and nation. That how an individual, a group of individual, and then the collective whole as a nation, how they live. As far as self is concerned, it refers to the individual person from his or her own perspective. Self perception, self awareness, self perception about individuals' own behavior, abilities, and characteristics. For example, I am a good writer, or I am a kind of a person, etc. I am a kind person, like this. For example, we have different perceptions about ourselves, that we are good enough or not. We know very well that we are kind enough or we are unkind towards others. So, this is our perception that we understand about ourselves. But there are different individuals who do have certain perceptions about us. So, when we are living in a community, community is characterized by following significant features: social interaction between groups, specific geographical territory, common values, beliefs, and behaviors. When we are living in a community, we have to adjust with others. And if we are not going to adjust with others, we cannot live in that community. And in a nation, you know that different types of individuals are living in the same community and they are going to make a nation. So, a nation is an established community of people which is formed on the following common characteristics. Number one, territory, history, common ethnicity, common language and culture, and sharing political in nature, and then institutionalized. When they are sharing all these diversities, it becomes an institutionalized fact and they start living as a nation. What is the impact of globalization on this sense of self, community, and nation? Significant changes in societies due to globalization are going on because it is integrating people, it is compressing the space and time. Increased movements of people from rural to urban areas, growth of cities, family disruption, changes and change in modes of production, social violence is increasing. So there are different kinds of impacts of globalization. Sometimes we find there are some benefits, and sometimes we see that there are some harms or disadvantages. But it always depends that how we are taking this force of globalization. Transnationalism, this is another attribute when we are living in that globalized society. Globalization has also created a sense of interdependence among nations, increased power politics, economic imbalances, roles of different states have been redefined because there is a multiculturalism, diversified individuals, diversified communities, and then diversified behaviors. So, when we are living in such diversified global system, we must understand that there is some sense of self, individual perspective, and then there is a perspective of other peoples, and then those peoples are races, are different kinds of uh, ethnic groups are going to make a nation while adjusting with each other and cooperating with each other. Until unless they are not cooperating, they may find a difficult situation in their surroundings. And when they learn to live together, they would have a consensus and would form a nation that is based on peace and homogeneity.